Hey, Sandra here with First Class RV Adventures, and I am super bundled up today. It's a cold morning here in Texas, but I'm really excited. Thank you so much for tuning back into our channel. I am going to share what happened Nomad Fest Day 3. And if you have missed the other days, make sure you go check them out. I even included a video with pre-Nomad Fest. So you get to see what happened kind of before the planning. We were there about a week before Nomad Fest began. So a lot of fun things happened with cast and crew. So you guys make sure you check those out. And then I have Nomad Fest Day 1, 2, and now 3. So you get to see it all. And today is actually the premiere of the RV Nomads movie. So you will get to see that as well. We had really good feedback. And I also have a whole video on the reactions of the movie itself. So if you missed that one, go ahead and check that one out as well. And I will link all of these videos below in the description. That way you don't have to go searching for them. But come on, let's go check out what happened Nomad Fest Day 3 on the actual premiere of the RV Nomads movie. Come on.
We can always stay a little longer. We don't have a plan. Just let me live a little younger than I really am. We've got nothing here to save us, save us from ourselves. Let's live life like it's made up. Jump.
So today is, I guess, officially the second day for Nomad Fest, and I am coming over to the Ritz to listen to the opening remarks. They have a ton of panels happening all weekend, all sorts of things to learn more about RVing, more about vlogging, more about partnerships, so check it out.
We are wanderers, nothing can stop us.
And that is it. Why did we decide to give it all up?
Nothing can stop us. We are wanderers, 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 we are wanderers, we are wanderers, we are wanderers. We're wanderers. They're wanderers.
All the fellow nomads. Are you excited for the movie? Jules. Mimi, you excited for the movie?
quick, get a video of everyone taking a video. Oh, babe.
So,
We're both taking videos at the same time.
yeah, because I've been asking you to take video for 30 minutes.
Because you're giving my video.
Welcome.
How do you guys feel about the premiere?
Excited and nervous. Stare at the lights.
I know, right? Are you blind yet?
We're happy to be here. Are you happy to be here?
We have little stars. Little stars. They're very excited people back there. Inflatable. Wow, it's filling up. Hey. Alright, babe, go up there and get some video. Scary.
How do I get up there?
Julie.
This is a good day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin. This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this.